Hello, and thank you so much for joining me, Laor from Cube Online College. And today I want to talk with you, what can you do when nobody is watching you? And I'm talking about, of course, the online marketing, not what you do at home when you're alone, but what can you do when nobody is watching you? Nobody is watching your profile, your videos, your stories, I don't know, whatever you post when nobody is watching you. So of course, content, just promote good, valuable content that people would love to hear, to read, to see. Content is the king. But if you have a good content and nobody is still watching you, then we have a problem, Houston. We have a problem. And one of the best ways to understand where's the problem is to see where you promote your videos, where you promote your information. And when I say information, I mean videos, vlogs, and posts, blogs, YouTube, whatever you want to post. So you need to check where you post it. Let's say I want to post a video about nutrition, okay, vegan nutrition, raw food nutrition. Then I have no reason to post it on that the headline will be, the website will be like where you post recipes, okay, because recipe is something very wide. There are recipes of meat, recipes of fish, recipes of vegan, but not raw vegan. So because raw vegan, it's more strict than vegan. So you need to post your information in a very precise place. And this very precise place, it's not, yes, you need to do your own investigation. You need to learn where are your audience hang out. Yes, they are online, but they are not online all over the place. They're just hanging around online. They watch Facebook, they watch Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, but you can get to them even by WhatsApp, even by text messages, even by RSS. There are a lot of ways that you can approach them, and therefore you will be able to contact them and post and promote your information. So I will keep this video very, very short, but please, if you still don't know who I am, so again, my name is Laor Kahel Eliraz, and I established Cube Online College 15 years ago in 2008. And since then, we've been teaching worldwide in 14 different countries. And when it comes to talk about online marketing, online courses, how to promote your knowledge online, yes, I know how I can do it. I know how you can do it. I know how I do it. And I know exactly what you need to do in order to promote yourself like crazy. Okay? So please go to my website. You can type Cube Online College. It's www.online/courses.online. See you there. Bye-bye.